We all know exercise is essential. It boosts energy, sharpens focus, reduces inflammation, and protects against chronic disease. But in the real world, where schedules are packed and motivation fluctuates, fitting in movement can feel like a chore. The truth? You don't need a gym membership, fancy gear, or hours of free time. You just need a strategy. When exercise is woven into your daily routine, it stops feeling like a task and starts feeling like a lifestyle. Welcome back to the Healthy Lifestyles channel. I'm Dr. Lester. Let's explore the most effective ways to integrate movement into your day so it becomes automatic, energizing, and sustainable. 1. Start with identity, not intensity. Before you choose a workout, choose a mindset. The most sustainable exercise habits begin with identity. Instead of saying, "I need to work out," say, "I'm becoming someone who moves daily." This subtle shift rewires your brain to see movement as part of who you are, not just something you do. Your action step. Write down, "I am someone who prioritizes movement." Post it where you'll see it daily, bathroom mirror, fridge, or phone wallpaper. 2. Anchor movement to existing habits. One of the most powerful habit-building techniques is habit stacking, pairing a new behavior with an existing one. For example, after brushing your teeth, do 10 squats. After making coffee, stretch for 2 minutes. After finishing a meeting, walk around the block. These micro-movements build consistency and reduce decision fatigue. Your action step. Choose one daily anchor, for example during lunch break or after dinner, and pair it with a short movement. 3. Make walking your default mode. Walking is underrated. It improves circulation, boosts mood, supports joint health, and enhances creativity. And it's easy to integrate. Here are some strategies. Park farther away. Take walking meetings. Pace while on phone calls. Walk your dog longer. Use stairs instead of elevators. Even 5-minute walks throughout the day add up to powerful benefits. Your action step. Set a timer to walk for 5 minutes every 2 hours. Track your steps with a pedometer or phone app. 4. Turn sedentary time into active time. If you sit for long periods, movement breaks are essential. They improve posture, reduce stiffness, and reset your nervous system. Here are some ideas. Do calf raises while brushing your teeth. Stretch or walk in place during TV commercials. Try desk yoga or chair squats between emails. Use a standing desk or balance board. Your action step. Schedule 3 movement breaks into your calendar each day. Use reminders or alarms to stay consistent. 5. Embrace micro-workouts. You don't need 60-minute sessions to see results. Research shows that short bursts of movement, even 5 to 10 minutes, can improve cardiovascular health, metabolism, and mood. Here are some examples. 7-minute HIIT routines. 10-minute yoga flows. 5-minute dance breaks. 3-minute core circuits. Micro-workouts are perfect for busy days and help build momentum. Your action step. Create a playlist of 5 to 10-minute workouts you enjoy. Do one every morning or evening. 6. Schedule it like a meeting. If it's not scheduled, it's optional. Treat movement like a non-negotiable appointment with your future self. Here are some tips. Block time in your calendar for movement. Name it something empowering: energy reset, mood booster, longevity session. Use color coding to make it stand out. Your action step. Choose 3 time slots this week and schedule movement like a meeting. 7. Make it social. Accountability and connection boost consistency. When movement is social, it becomes joyful, not just dutiful. Here are some ideas. Join a walking group or fitness class. Invite a friend to stretch or dance with you. Share your progress in a wellness community. Use apps that track and share activity. Your action step. Text one friend and invite them to move with you this week. 8. Gamify your movement. Turning exercise into a game increases motivation and dopamine. Use apps, challenges, or rewards to make movement fun. Here are some tools. Fitness trackers with badges. Step count competitions. Habit streak apps. Reward charts or milestone prizes. Your action step. Choose one app or method to gamify your movement this month. 9. Use movement as stress relief. Exercise isn't just physical, it's emotional. Movement regulates cortisol, boosts endorphins, and helps discharge stored tension. Here are some ideas. Stretch after stressful meetings. Walk after arguments or emotional triggers. Dance to release frustration. Do breathwork with gentle movement. Your action step. Identify one emotional trigger and pair it with a movement response. My final thought. Movement is medicine. Make it yours. Exercise doesn't have to be intense, complicated, or time-consuming. It just has to be consistent. When you integrate movement into your daily routine, it becomes a source of energy, clarity, and resilience. Start small, stack habits, celebrate progress. Because the goal isn't just to move more, it's to move with purpose, joy, and identity. If you enjoy this type of content, please like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment below. Let me know if there is a topic that you would like me to address. And check out my award-winning book, Stronger by the Day, Master the Habits of Health, Fitness, and Vitality, along with Slimmer and Stronger by the Day, The Habit Blueprint for Lasting Weight Loss, and Living Longer and Stronger by the Day, The Everyday Habits for Lifelong Health and Vitality, all available on Amazon. Until next time, nourish, move, relax, and revitalize. See you in the next video.